Today, we are going to understand a very practical and important question. How does the Upwork algorithm actually work? And how can legal freelancer rank higher and get clients faster? Many people believe that getting client on Upwork is random. It is not. Upwork follows structured system that prioritize relevance, trust, and performance. If you understand this system correctly, you can significantly improve your chances of getting consistent legal work. Let us begin with the foundation. Upwork's primary goal is simple: to match the right freelancer with the right clients. This is very important line. Okay, right freelancer. Upwork primary goal is simple: to match the right freelancer with the right client. Okay, to do this, platform evaluate multiple signals: your profile relevance, your past performance and client feedback, your responsiveness, and the quality of your proposals. So, instead of trying random strategies, you should focus on aligning with these signals. Your profile is the first and most important element. Think of it as a search engine page. When a client search for contract drafting or legal research, Upwork scan profile to find the most relevant matches. This means your profile must clearly communicate what exactly you do, who you help, and how do you deliver value. For example, a generic title like lawyer is weak. A focused title like contract drafting specialist for startup is much stronger. Similarly, your profile describe should not list qualification only. It should explain how you solve client problems. Adding 3 to 5 strong portfolio samples further strengthens your credibility. Next is keyword optimization. Upwork work similarly to a search engine. Client use specific terms such as a primary privacy policy, NDA drafting, or terms and conditions. If your profile contain this keyword in the right place, your title, describe, and skills section, you are more likely to appear in search result. This is not about stuffing keywords, but about maintaining clear and relevant positioning. Now, let us move to proposals, which is where most freelancers struggle. When a client posts a job, Upwork does not show all proposals equally. Freelancer who apply easily and those profiles match the job and more likely to be seen first. But visibility alone is not enough. Your proposal must immediate answer one question: can you solve the client problem? A strong proposal has three parts. First, a clear understanding of the client requirement. Second, a direct explain of your solution. Third, proof their experience or a sample. The first two lines are critical. They determine whether the client continue reading or not. Now let us discuss one of the most important ranking factor, the job success score or GSS. This score reflect how satisfied your past client have been. It is based on public feedback, private feedback, and overall project outcomes. A high GSS, typically about 90%, signals reliability and professionalism. This significantly improves your chances of getting shortlisted. In simple terms, GSS is your trust score on the platform. Upwork also tracked your behavior on the platform. This include how quickly you respond to messages, how active your profile is, whether you maintain consistent work and whether client hire you again. Freelancers who are active and responsive are considered more reliable. Consistency is a strong signal to the algorithm. Now let us move to advanced strategies. The most effective approach today is specialization. Instead of being a general legal freelancer, focus on a micro reach. For example, SaaS contract, privacy policies, startup agreement. Specialists are easier to match with clients' needs and therefore rank faster. Another key strategy is to secure your first few client quickly, even a slightly lower rate to build review and credibility. Once you establish a track record, you can gradually increase your pricing. Let us also address common mistakes. Creating a general profile without clear focus, sending copied or generic proposals, ignoring keywords, delaying response to client, and understanding for long period. These mistakes weaken your profile signals and reduce your visibility. Let us summarize a simple action plan. First, optimize your profile with a clear niche and relevant keywords. Second, apply easily to job and second, personalized proposals. Third, focus on delivery, high quality work to build strong reviews. And finally, maintain consistency and gradually specialize. If you follow this process, the platform will begin to work in your favor. Upwork is not about luck, it is about understanding the system and applying it consistently. Once you align with the algorithm, client acquisition becomes predictable. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video.